Come test drive the 2020 XT6. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, premium wheels, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, anti-lock braking system, remote keyless entry, driver's side remote mirror, speed control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, 6-passenger seating, heads-up display, premium sound system, heated front seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.